we don't talk anymore.
Hello bakers and chef, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Jude and you are...
The mission dinosaur.
And today we are going to make a...
An Easter Sunday egg
Okay.
surprise cake.
Surprise.
It's Easter Sunday.
Yay! So, what did you do this morning?
We find some eggs.
And then,
We eat the eggs.
okay, can you
And
put this?
I see in the bush there was a big egg surprise.
Yeah, so what do you find inside the big surprise?
A big surprise is that Easter egg, Mr. Egg,
And...
and chocolate.
Is that from the big egg?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this is what you found, right? What is this again?
that's a Batman car.
So where did you find that?
And from the egg.
And from the egg. So guys, this morning we do the Easter hunt outside, along with this little guy. And how old are you, by the way, right now?
I'm 4 years old.
And where do you live?
I live in 26 Road.
Okay, so what's the name of your mama?
And this is the transformer. It transformed. Watch.
Okay, so the toy must be on the side
And
later
it
because...
transformed to God. Watch.
Okay, so what's the name of your mama?
He's Josephine.
And what's the name of your brother?
Raphael.
Okay, so welcome to our
Kid Baker's
channel.
channel.
And also don't forget to subscribe his channel. Until now he didn't upload the video, but he got a lot of videos too. So maybe this video also we're gonna upload it to his channel too sooner. And yeah, that's it for guys. So we're going to make our cupcake with a bunny topper, some egg and some carrots, something like that. So it's a very simple cupcakes, but your children will be enjoying this. So
Yes.
okay guys, welcome back. So we are going to make our chocolate moist cupcake, yeah. So with edible toppers, we're gonna do the edible toppers later. That's not yet. Okay, so right now we're going to mix the...
Flour.
But before that, we're going first to tell you the ingredients. Okay, what is this?
This is salt.
And this one? Baking soda,
Baking soda. Egg.
baking powder,
Baking powder. Milk. Sugar. Cocoa.
cocoa powder, cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. What cocoa powder comes? Oil. I know.
I know you know, right? It's vanilla, yes. You cannot pronounce the word letter L. So, right now, we're going to mix the
The flour.
Okay, mix the flour and cocoa powder.
Let's see our.
Okay, slowly, just very slowly, very gentle. Okay, you got it? Okay, and then cocoa powder. There you go, you got it, mister. Oh, wait. Then here's your, what's this?
A whisk.
A whisk. Okay, whisk it. Hold it like that, yeah. Slowly! Oh no! Yeah, oh no. Okay, it's fine. Keep going until they incorporated. Yan guys, so siya nag-mix ng dry ingredients natin. Slowly lang, it goes to your hand. Do it slowly. And then, slowly.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so we're going to put the salt over here.
Salt.
Yeah, and baking powder. Can you put the baking powder?
Aha! Here.
Okay, all of them, yeah. The next will be the baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah, look at here. There's a baking soda there. Okay, you got it. Baking soda. Okay, give it to Papa. Okay, so no more. That's all. Mix them all together again. Slowly stirring it. Yeah, yan. Stir mo lang konti. Yan. Not too strong. Just very, very gentle. And then tap it like this. Tap. Yeah, like that. More until they mix together. Yeah. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, so half of the sugar must be there. Half only, only half. Oh, okay, done. Okay, good. And then stir it again. Very, very slow. Okay, tap. Yeah, like that. Very good. Keep going. Ayan siya guys. Mabilis siya. Very quick learner siya. Basta madali siyang turuan. And then everything's good?
Yep.
You see? We have to see, like we have to check if they're properly whisking, and he did it properly actually, guys. So right now we have to set this aside, okay? Put this one in here. So this is the
Sugar.
and then put all your no. All this one must be here. This one in here. Okay, all liquid ingredient. No. Oh no. Here, I'm talking here. Okay, go. So, yeah, we need to remove that egg over there. Okay, so I need to remove this first before the flour catches the egg. That's fine. Okay, why did you put the egg here? It must be over here, baby. We need to make, we need to... Okay, that's good. Okay, so stir this one. Keep going. How's the coffee? You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do like this. Faster, quick. But make sure they cannot go out from this bowl. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we make sure they are properly whisked. Okay, and then we have this. What is this? What is this? That's fine. It's vanilla. Yeah? So right now, because we already whisked them properly,
Wow.
we'll move it in here. Okay, you do it here. You do here. There you go. Then whisk it slowly, very slowly, because you're gonna... Yeah. Yan, para hindi lumabas
It's
siya.
so nice.
Yeah, keep going.
Can you?
Can I do it? Just go like this, very, very slow. Yeah, and then until such time they mix together, right? But we have to make sure they are properly mixed. And there's no lumps too, right? Walang mga buo-buo. Yan guys. So, can you do it? Can you do it for me?
It's chocolate.
Yeah, it's a chocolate and sugar all together.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
Can you do it?
I want to smell it.
Yeah, it smells so good. We use the Hershey's chocolate. Can you whisk it? Whisk.
The chocolates are yummy.
Yeah. Can you whisk it?
Yep.
Okay, go.
So hard.
Okay, I think they're properly mixed it. Oh, how was the taste?
It's so yummy and
So I have this coffee, guys. It's not hard. Very easy. That's only one, okay? Push it. Done? Okay. Bye, Siri. Ikiri-biri. No, why did you remove it? Put it back. Put it back here, yeah? Good job. Good job, Gab. Yay. Oh, so much fun this cupcake ever. Are you excited? Isa yung nakikita na ito yung kata. So, wala lang kung tuluyan ng konti. Don't touch my hand. Can you tell? Oh, careful. Can you tell them the story about the? Oh, what is attitude, Mister?
Yes.
Attitude is?
Attitude or emotion?
Emotion rather.
Tube.
Don't touch my hand. What is emotion? Emotion is?
Sad, angry, and scared.
Oh, happy, angry, and
Scared.
scary. Alright.
Sad
And sad, yeah.
and scared.
Oh, yeah.
What scared means?
Wait, give me a second. There's some leftover over here. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Just click the subscribe button and the bell notification for you to notify sa bago naming video tutorial again ng anak ko. And then we have also our own of course life experience dito sa Canada, yung personal vlog ko, and then yung cooking and baking na vlog namin. And we have vlog with my son too as well. And meron sa sariling channel actually, guys. So sooner, i-upload ko rin yung mga baking stuff niya. Right? And mga... So see you guys on our next video. Bye-bye!
Bye.